This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Volvo XC90 easy method. Start by parking on level ground and allowing the engine to cool for about 15 minutes. Gather 5 W30 oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, and the correct 24 mm socket. Loosen the oil cap to speed draining, then raise the vehicle safely on jack stands or ramps. I'll walk you through each step so you feel confident and safe. In this video, I will show how to change oil Volvo XC90 easy method. After positioning the drain pan, remove the drain plug and let the oil flow out completely until it slows to a drip. While oil drains, inspect the plug gasket and set aside the plug on a clean surface. Clean any spilled oil from the area and prepare a clean rag for the filter change, so the process stays tidy and efficient. In this video, I will show how to change oil Volvo XC90 easy method. After draining, remove the oil filter housing cap and replace the old filter with a new one lightly coated on the gasket. Reinstall the housing cap to the correct torque, then refill the engine with the specified oil amount, usually around 6 to 7 quarts depending on model. Start the engine briefly, check for leaks, and confirm oil level with the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.